Yes, I'm serious. I just saw a white mist, like it came out from this area right in front of this barn.